Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. I am a licensed nail tech, small business owner, and content creator. So today's video, I am doing some short nails, and this is something that isn't featured too often on my channel. And I actually think it's been years since I have had short-ish nails on my channel. So this is new. I've already prepped my nails, applied my tips, so I'm just going in now with the base coat. And the reason I'm going in with a base coat is because I am doing a gel polish ombre. So now I'm just going in with this pretty glitter purple gel polish, and this is by Beetles. And you guys know I will leave all of the product information in the description box below and any discount codes that I might have. So I'm just gonna paint the tip of the nails with the gel polish, and like I said, it's gonna be an ombre, so I only have to paint the tip, and it doesn't matter that I applied the base coat on the entirety of the nails, on the whole nail bed, because it's just going to help my acrylic adhere a little bit better. So after I apply the gel polish on all of the tips, I am going to cure that in the lamp for 2 minutes. The reason I did 2 minutes is because I kind of did like a thicker layer of polish. And after that, I'm just going to go in with my acrylic and do my best to ombre. So in this video, every single nail I use a little bit too much powder, and I was like removing powder just because I wanted to make sure that you could still see some of the purple, because I wanted it to be a high ombre, but I didn't want the ombre to cover the entire gel polish. And I really could have used the one bead method on these nails because they were shorter, but I'm just so used to going in with multiple beads like that I didn't even think to really do the one bead method. So that's just what I'm used to. I'm used to doing longer nails, and that's just how it goes. So overall, I still think the nails came out cute, and wherever I felt like that line of demarcation was too strong between the gel polish and the acrylic, I would just go in with just a little bit more acrylic. One of the things I was trying to avoid was making these short nails look bulky, especially with my fingers. I think for my hands, they look better with, the shape is okay, but I think the length is, my nails look better with a little bit longer of a length. But so I was trying my best not to make them look bulky. And again, based on how much acrylic I'm used to picking up because I do longer nails, I was like, okay, are you putting too much acrylic on these nails? You guys, I really don't do short nails. So this was actually a change for me. This whole set actually took me 2 hours. Like if I'm doing a long set, like just a simple set that's longer, that could be up to 3 hours. I did appreciate the filing on this was so much easier. The shaping at this length was okay. I found it a little bit more challenging to place the smaller nail tips on your nails than the longer nail tips. But because these are full coverage tips. These are full coverage almond tips, short almond tips, and they will be available on my website soon. I'm just kind of testing out stuff as well, just to see how it performs, whatever, before I put it on my website. So these tips will be on my website soon. But yeah, it's just a different, your methods are kind of the same, but you obviously use less product because your nails are short. But I still had a fun time doing this set, even though it's not a set I would typically wear. I'm going to see how long I can keep these short nails on. I'm going to really challenge myself. I wanted to initially do a structured gel manicure, but I wanted my natural nails to be a little bit longer. So I was like, okay, just do some short nails, whatever. So that's why I landed on this versus the gel manicure. And I bring that up because if you've been watching my 31 days of content in my last video, in my videos, sometimes I say what the next video is going to be. So my last video, I said I was giving you guys a structured gel manicure. So I'm just rambling now because there really wasn't too much to this set. Yeah, there really wasn't too much to this set. I just wanted to make sure, again, I didn't make the nails too bulky or anything like that. And I do like how this turned out. I think this is a cute design. Me personally, I would prefer it on longer nails, but it's still cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. I know the audience is broad as far as the nail shape everybody likes, and then the length. I know I have a little bit of everybody who subscribes to my channel, so I think short nails on my page is a nice change of pace. If you want to see more short nail designs, definitely let me know, and I will see what I could accommodate for you. After I apply the nude color, I do go in with Speed Clear by Young Nails and just cover up that gel polish, and then just make sure there's no gaps or dips between the nude polish and, the nude acrylic and the gel polish. So I don't show you that on all 5 fingers. I just show you that on 2. And again, you have to look at the nail from different angles just to make sure there's no dips in the nail. You want to make sure you have enough product on the nail, so when you are doing your finish filing and all that, you have enough to ensure you have a smooth surface. So that's what I'm doing here. And again, it's just 2 nails, but after that, I just go in with my top coat and cure. On this nail, my brush was too wet, and I got a lot of monomer on my skin, so I wanted to remove that. You kind of want to avoid as much as you can getting any product on your skin, and that includes the monomer as well. And that's something that I'm working with because I typically do work with a wetter brush. So, and I'm still perfecting my cuticle area and my sidewalls, but you definitely want to prevent getting any products on your skin when you are doing your nails, or when you're doing your client's nails. You don't want to, because essentially it will start, eventually it could cause allergies to the products. So, after I file, buff, and shape and all that, I'm just going to go in with my Beetles top coat and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. This was a really simple set. It was a short set, so it didn't take as much time. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see more short nail designs in my videos, like I said earlier. Let me know if you have any questions about the application process or anything like that. Just leave it in the comments down below, and I will get back to you either in the comment section, or I would make a video if it was a specific question that I couldn't really explain in just a few sentences. Anyways, guys, I do appreciate you watching, and to everyone who's been watching all of the videos, I'm doing 31 days of content. Definitely appreciate you. I see you in the comments, and it is appreciated. The support is greatly appreciated. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see everyone soon again for another video.